Hello class, today we are going to be looking at price elasticity of demand. And if you look at the question on the board, we have price, we have quantity. And when you look at the price, when price is $4, quantity demanded is 10. And when price increases to $6, the quantity demanded is 18. This is in line with the law of demand that says that the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. I see the price when it was 4, we had 10. But when it increased to 6, the quantity demanded 4. So if you're asked to find price elasticity of demand of this kind of question, so how do you do? So what you do now is just start with your formula. You have price elasticity of demand equals QD2, which is we have QD1, QD2. This is the new QD1 over QD1 times 100 divided by, we have P2 minus P1 over P1 times 100. So this is the formula you are going to use to solve this equation. And what you just have to do, you need to identify your QD2 and QD1 as well as your P2 and P1, which is price 2 and price 1. So your QD2, which is this is the QD1, QD2. The QD2 is the new quantity demand. The QD2 is going to be here under QD. This is for QD. This is for price. So looking for QD2 now. So this is going to be our QD2. This is the beginning of QD. It started from 10. This is the QD1. QD1. Then QD2. The same thing. The corresponding P1 is here. This is going to be P1. This is going to be P2. Do you understand? So the first and the second, the one that comes first is your P1, followed by the P2. So if you take this now, I'll just quickly say it now, my PD quickly. I'll be very fast with this. QD2, which is 8, minus QD1, which is 10, over QD1. What is my QD1? My QD1 remains 8 times 10. 10. No, times 100, sorry. So then I can put my division again. Then P2 is 6. P2 is 6 minus P1, which is 4, over P1, which is 4, times 100. So if I want to solve this quickly now, I can say 8 minus 10. You know it's going to give me minus my PED is 8 minus 10, which is minus 2 over 8 times 100. But mind you, when you are solving, you are looking for price elasticity of demand. When you get negative, so you have to take the absolute value. So as I have minus 2 here, I don't take this minus along. So I'm going to take the positive one. So I need this just positive 2. So if I want to do this now, I can cut now. 2 here, 4, 2 here, 50, 2 here, 2, 2 here, 25. Then 2 here, 1, 1. So if you solve it very well, you'll be finally having your PED for percentage change quantity demanded to be what? 25%. And I have divide. So I can solve this one also. So if I want to solve this maybe in a rough sheet, so let me solve this out here. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 over 4 times 100. So this is going to give me 2. So this is 6 minus 4 will be 2. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So 4 here, 1, 4 here, 25. So I'll be having 2 times 25, that is 50%. If you cut it very well, it's going to be 50%. So it means that my PED, so I'll be having, finally, I'll be having price elasticity of demands to be 25% over 50%. Percent will go in, we offset percent. So this is going to be 1 here, this is going to be 2 here. So I'll be having 0.5. So this is my price elasticity of demand. So that is how to solve price elasticity of demand. So our final answer is 0.5. And when your answer is 0.5, how do you interpret that? It means that it's fairly inelastic. Fairly inelastic. Sometimes in Waec or Jamb they ask you to interpret. So it's 0.5. So 0.5 is fairly inelastic. Please subscribe and get more of our videos.